All right, ladies and gentlemen. So we're going to go over the first part of object detection and what that involves. Okay. So your robot that you have on your screen has sensors on it, and these sensors can measure things in the environment and react to that environment because of the code that you have entered. You know, if you let's see. So you can tell it like, okay, I want you to go forward. And when you're 20 centimeters away from the building, I need you to turn right, right? Or when you touch the fence, I want you to go backwards. So just different, it like measures your environment. So sensors work like this. The sensors measure distance, speed, or time, or temperature, right? And it sends that information to the brain of the robot. The brain of the robot already knows, okay, when you're 20 centimeters away, I want you to react to this. If the temperature is 90 degrees, I want you to do the following. So these sensors measure different things, right? And you code it to react a certain way, given the information that the sensors are receiving. You have 4 different sensors: gyro, a light color, ultrasonic, and touch. The touch is the first sensor you're going to learn all about. You're going to learn about that. Some of you already started on Monday. Some of you are going to start today. Gyroscope for rotation. So turn the robot exactly 45 degrees and then proceed. Turn the robot 135 degrees. So it could be a precise angle that you have to move your robot. Ultrasonic is for distance. So the robot is approaching the wall here. It's at 12 inches. It's at 6 inches. Okay, at 6 inches, I want you to turn right and then proceed. Okay. Light color. So that's like darkness and light. If you've ever been in a car, I don't know if you've ever noticed, but when it gets darker, the lights of the car, the headlights will turn on automatically. We don't have to do that anymore. Now, basically, mostly all the cars are now automatic. When they sense that there's darkness, they will turn on automatically. When they sense that there's a lot of light, they'll turn off. If you've ever been in a car and you go through like underneath like the freeway, you go into a tunnel, all of a sudden the lights turn on and off. If you haven't, pay attention next time that you're in a car with your parents. Touch. Okay, we did that one. So the first sensor you're going to do is a touch, okay? And the way we code it is a true false. When it's true, that means it's actually touching it. When it reaches the wall, it's touching it. When it's a false, that means it's not touching it. It's just roaming around until it touches something, then it would turn into a true statement. Sometimes we want the robot to continue until something has happened. Go forward until you see an obstacle, point turn until you turn 180 degrees. The sensors feed us with the data we can use to control the robot's behavior. So you will be introduced to wait until. So they're going to be in the wait until. So if it's wait until touch, you'll have a true false statement. That's the touch one. If you do the wait until gyro, that is degrees. So you'll be typing in a number for degrees, turn however many degrees you want to. The ultrasonic is distance. So your number is based on like distance. I can't remember if it's centimeters or inches, but it senses like the distance. And then the color is either it's like dark or light out. So these different wait until commands you'll be learning. The first one you'll learn is until touch, true or false. Okay. So what if I want the robot to go forward until it touches something? Once it touches something, I want you to stop. I want you to stop. So here's the code. Here's the code. It goes forward, 100% forward. Then wait until touch. It's true. When it's true, that means it's actually touching it. So when it touches it, I need you to 100% stop. Notice if the drive power is 0. If the drive power is 0, it stopped. Okay, so I want you to continue on with your missions 1 through 8. Let me go back to this. Now, I want you to do these 3 assignments to the best of your ability, but pay attention to this one. object detection mission 3 code with smart blocks. So when you start mission 3, it tells you to use a smart block. I need to see your smart block in your code. Can you complete the mission without using a smart block? Yes. Will you get points for that? No. I am literally checking that you are using smart block on mission number 3. They tell you to use smart blocks. I'm forcing you to do it because in the near future, very, very near future, this smart block is going to save you time, energy, stress, because instead of writing all the code for a right turn or a left turn, you just bring it into the smart code. You just insert, and it saves you time. And number one thing about coding is you want to use shortcuts. Okay. Like kind of when you guys text and you use like not the whole word, but you abbreviate it to save time, to save, all those letters. Same thing with coding. It's like, why do you want to type out the whole code when you can smart code and save yourself a lot of time? Okay. All right. So go ahead and get started on that. If you have any questions, please let me know.